I mean, I will definitely not pay my money, you know, just to come and visit this tower here. I will definitely not pay my money for that. Yes, I will definitely pay my money to come and see Paris, because Paris is a, I mean, you know, like you have a lot of things to see in Paris. But if it is all about these ones, no, I'm definitely not paying my money for that. So this is the subway in Paris, France. So we are right now riding the subway, and we are going to look at the Eiffel Tower in Paris. So that is what we are going to do today. I hope I pronounced the name good. If not, then you guys can correct me in the comment section. So yeah, this is the subway in Paris. And by the way, it is 7:30 in the morning right now. So let's go. I'm going to show you guys the subway until we also reach at the Eiffel Tower. Alas, this fetish, I don't know. I mean, I can't even pronounce the words in French, but it's not bad. So I arrived lately yesterday in Paris, and I was at the station trying to find transport, a bus, or you know, or something, or even to use a subway just to find my hotel. And it was really hard, to be honest with you guys. And the saddest part about this is that, or I mean, like people do speak French, English. Some people they understand, you know, but they do not even want to speak English to start with. So which means like that if you are someone who want to come to Paris to stay here, let's say, even for a, you know, let's say a short period of time, then try to learn at least few French words, because this is going to just save your life. I mean, I don't, but yeah, anyway. So if you guys are coming, so make sure you just learn some, you know, some little French words. It is definitely going to help you at the end of the day. So we are now out, and I have to look for the other one, number 8. Check this crowd. I mean, it's 7:40 in the morning right now. It's 7 a.m. in the morning. Now just imagine if it is during the day. Eight. Yeah, also we have 8. So let's go. Let me see if I will be able to have this one. Check out these subways. Number 8 is going to be this way. The subway in Paris, you know, like it is like too deep on the ground. I don't know how are they able to. Oh, there it is. There we are. I have made it, and now so from here it's going to take us I mean, like, the whole ride is going to take only 13 minutes. Then we're going to be there in 13 minutes. See you guys. So
In 70 meters, turn right on Place de l'École Militaire.
I'm now here on the right direction to this how do you call it, Eiffel Tower, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm right now on my way. I've just left, I mean, the station. So now it's like a 14-minute walks, I mean, like according to Google Maps. So I will just try to walk as
Place de l'École Militaire. Then in 80 meters, turn right on Avenue de la Bourdonnais.
so yeah, so that I will just walk as fast as I can, so that I will, you know, I can also be there at the right time. That's all I'm going to do. It's Saturday morning, you know. Things are just top right now. So wow, it was red and I was wrong.
Turn right on Avenue de la Bourdonnais. Then continue straight on for 500 meters. In 30 meters, turn right on Avenue de la Bourdonnais.
Let me go back. I think I lost my way. It's supposed to be somehow here. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to find it. I'm going to find it out. So this main road here to this Eiffel Tower, it's here it seems like it's an expensive road, you know. Even the way like they maintain the place, the cleanliness and everything. Because I was at other side of Paris, you know. I have seen other sides, but they were not, I mean, like a clean as this place here, to be honest. And this place also looks calm, you know. Somehow the vibes, I just love the vibes. I mean, out here, you see the streets, they are all clean. This beautiful Saturday morning, you know. That's something good. Here you also have their bus stops. This is how their bus stops looks like here in Paris. So check this other street as well, you know. Like all these streets here which are near this Eiffel Tower here, you know, they are all so clean, you know. Like the place is so clean. The vibes also is just so nice. I mean, but maybe, you know, it's also going to be an expensive place, because even if you check the hotels which are near this place here, you know, they tend to be more expensive than the hotels that are a little bit far away from the tower. Look at this place. Check it out. And there you have this big, I don't know, maybe museum or something like that. That's pretty nice. There you also have some statues. This statue, so I don't know from who. All right, I got you, brother. So there is the Eiffel Tower. So this is what everybody want to come and see in Paris. I mean, to be honest, you know, it's looked nice, you know, but I am not expecting it to be just like this, to be honest to you. I mean, yeah, the place is clean, you know. To be honest, this other place where I am is clean, you know, but it's just like, if you are far away, I thought, you know, look, even you are you know, far away from where, you know, like you can still see everything like that. But I wasn't expecting it to be like this. But yeah, let me just get somehow closer to it, then I will be able to tell you guys how does it looks like. All right, so there you go. There is the Eiffel Tower. And then here it's just they close this place perhaps because of the summer is coming, and then they are just trying to, you know, like let the grass grow a little bit, you know, design it, you know, for the tourists. Yeah, and here as well, which means that you can't have access to these places for now. You know, they are also working on some other things over there as well. Seems like a construction. Oh yeah. So this is the I don't know, Eiffel Tower in Paris. Okay. All right. There we have the Eiffel Tower, Paris. Okay. So yeah, let's go and check it. Here you also have a small garden. Yeah, you can just sit here, enjoy yourself, you know. I am in Paris. I will never pay my money to come and see this Eiffel Tower. Again, guys, after everything that I have been seeing on the internet, you know, like, I mean, yes, I will pay my money, of course, to come to Paris and see Paris, like other parts of Paris, you know. You have beautiful places, but if you see like the way you have so many tourists who are coming here just to be able to see only this Eiffel Tower here, and then, guys, look, I mean, look, I don't know, this is just my opinion, you know. It is not something, I mean, like, it is not how I thought it is going to be. Like the way I normally see it on the internet, if people post it, you know, the beauty and everything, it is not like that, you know. Not only that, even the sides as well, you know. Yes, there is a construction going on here, you know, which I perfectly understand. But even without not the construction, I mean, like this Eiffel Tower alone, you know, or this Eiffel Tower alone, I will not pay my money just simply to come and see these ones. No, I will definitely not pay any cent for that. Because, look, personally, I do not think it worth it that, I mean, paying my money just to come and see something. You know, in reality, it is not what I normally, I mean, like, it is not what I normally see on social media. Yes, it is nice, it is really beautiful, you know, but what I am expecting, it is not up to that stage or that standard. So to be honest, I will definitely not pay my money to come and see only this Eiffel Tower. Yes, other parts of Paris, no problem, they have a beautiful parts, you know, where you can pay your money, go there, you know, enjoy and stuff like that. But just to see this one, nah, I will never pay my money for that. But yeah, how about you guys? Have you ever been here? Will you pay your money for this? Let me know on the comment section. I am right now in Paris, in France, and over there you have a lot of people standing there. They are queuing online. At the other side also inside, you know, because people want to go up there, you know, just to go and roam there to see the places, you know. So I think as someone, you know, like that, who always want to come here just to come and see this Eiffel Tower here in Paris, you know, I mean, I do not think, like, personally I will pay my money just to come and see this building, like this Eiffel Tower here, because I believe that there are so many other beautiful places in Paris to see, you know, and so many other beautiful things to do actually. Because if it is all about this, I mean, like, if you see the videos, let's say on, you know, on internet, YouTube, TikTok, for whatsoever, you know, like, if you see the videos of this Eiffel Tower, you know, it looks so amazing, so perfect. But right now, I mean, come on, I will definitely not pay my money for this, you know. But I mean, yeah, here you definitely have a lot of tourists, you know, who are coming here, you know, spending money, going there, and people are queuing over there, you know, just to be able to go up there, because here they have like their own lifter, I believe, you know, so which can take people up there, you know, so that they'll be able to see. On this other side here, then you have construction going on. So yeah, let me just know in the comment section, are you going to pay your money to come and visit these things here in Paris? If yes, let me know on the comment section. What do you guys think?